plum does burn, green skin to ash, its story takes a turn. The glow of fire revealing secrets untold. In the warmth of heat, new life unfolds. After every hardship, green returns anew. In the heart of pain, joy will ensue. Life always finds its way shining through. So don't lose hope, the light is close to you. The green plum dances in the fire's embrace. With every flame, new hope finds its place. From the ashes, life begins to bloom, green and vibrant, dispelling the gloom. After every hardship, green returns anew.